It's been another wonderful day to be with you, my mathematics learners. Today, we are going to discuss on how to get the inverse of a one-to-one function. By the way, Teacher Elizabeth Kitola at your service. In our previous video, we already discussed on how to determine if the given is a one-to-one function. A function has an inverse if and only if it is one-to-one. To determine the inverse of a one-to-one function, we are going to take 3 steps. The first step is for us to write the function in the form y is equal to f of x. Or simply, just substitute f of x by y. Second is to interchange x and y variables. The third one is to solve for the value of y in terms of x. Given the following 3 steps in finding for the inverse of a one-to-one function, let's have the following examples.
Example number 1. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Let's take the solution. The equation of the function is y is equal to 3x plus 1. The first step is again for us to write f of x into y. So you have, instead of putting f of x, you will have y is equal to 3x plus 1. Second step is to interchange the x and y variables. So you have x is equal to 3y plus 1. Then the last step is for us to solve for y in terms of x. So you have x is equal to 3y plus 1. Then, you're going to transpose positive 1 to the other side of the equation becomes negative 1. X minus 1 is equal to 3y. For us to solve for the value of y, we are going to divide both sides by 3. 3 will be cancelled, therefore y is equal to x minus 1 all over by 3. Therefore, the inverse of f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 is f inverse of x is equal to x minus 1 all over by 3. As you can see, instead of putting f of x, we will have f inverse of x as your symbol for inverse of a one-to-one function. Example number 2. Find the inverse of g of x is equal to x cubed minus 2. Solution. The equation of the function, we will now change g of x to y. So you have y is equal to x cubed minus 2. Second step is to interchange x and y variables. So you have x is equal to y cubed minus 2. The last step is for us to solve for the value of y in terms of x. So you have x is equal to y cubed minus 2. Transpose negative 2 to the other side becomes positive 2. You will have x plus 2 equals y cubed. For us to remove y cubed, we are going to get the cube root of y. So you have cube root of x plus 2 is equal to the cube root of y cubed that is now equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to cube root of x plus 2. The inverse of g of x is equal to x cubed minus 2 is g inverse of x is equal to cube root of x plus 2.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you think you learned, then don't forget to click subscribe.